Alright, this is the elevator that's outside of Nordstrom here at Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg, Illinois. We have a Montgomery elevator ride. Upper level. Here we go. Oh wow, epic motor. Floor level. Door goes one works, I like that. We're only gonna do one right in here. We'll get a cab view. It's a dark cab. Should indicator, odor innovation, universal buttons. Let's see, what is the capacity? 4,000 pound capacity, it's just COP. Wow, this thing has an epic motor, but we're not gonna do one more ride because of my battery being low, so we'll watch the door close now. I like that thing up there. There it goes, and that'll be it.